Welcome back to another episode. The farmer was replaced. Last time we automated pumpkins, and again I let the script run for a little while so we can accumulate a little bit of materials. Today what I want to do is unlock some useful stuff. Let's see what we can get. We can already get some more grass, but it's getting really expensive. We can also expand, so let's expand like 2 times, and we can't expand further. We could unlock carrot yield, which could be a useful thing. We don't need watering, as you see we do have more than enough water. But maybe let's upgrade carrots a little bit. Let's upgrade trees a little bit. Let's upgrade pumpkins a little bit. But also that is getting expensive too. Now we can unlock timing. So we can get time, get tick count. Okay. They are completely free and calibration is free for them. We can't unlock this. We can unlock import, which could be really interesting. So let's do that. Putting all your code in a single file quickly becomes unmanageable. Yeah, we can see that. Import file name, and we can get code from another file. That's a really nice thing. I'm gonna skip over this because I don't think it's what I need right now. We also want to unlock utilities. Min, max, absolute, and random. Do we have info for that? I don't think so. Well, yeah, we can. Okay. So we can get the maximum from like an array or stuff, and we will not need that right now. Dictionaries. That allows you to map keys to values in the same way that your dictionary maps words to their definitions. You can look them up very quickly. Rotation north, east, east, south, southwest, west, north. So, okay. Complicated for what we want to do. Oh, and we can. It's close, but we can unlock cost. I think this could be interesting. Any cost can be represented as a dictionary that maps items to numbers. It returns the cost of a plant or an unlock. There's also and then this here is auto unlock, so we can automatically unlock stuff. We need more pumpkins to unlock more stuff. I would like to unlock something here. Maybe a sunflower? Yeah, let's unlock sunflowers. I have no idea what sunflowers are for. Sunflowers collect the power of the sun. You can harvest that power. Planting them works exactly like planting carrots or pumpkins. Harvesting a ground sunflower yields power. If there are at least 10 sunflowers on the farm and you harvest the one with the largest number of petals, you get 5 times more power. Oh, interesting. Okay. Measure returns the number of petals of the sunflower under the drone. Sunflower have at least 7 and at most 15 petals. They can already be measured before they are fully grown, which is really interesting. So you could theoretically just plant other stuff if it's not 15. Not sure if that helps though. Several sunflowers can have the same number of petals, so there can also be several sunflowers with the largest amount of petals. In this case, it doesn't matter which one of them you harvest. As long as you have power, the drone will use it to run twice as fast. Wow, that's nice. It consumes 1 power every 30 actions, like move, harvest, plant. Executing other code statements can also use power, but a lot less than drone actions. In general, everything that is sped up by speed upgrades is also sped up by power. Anything sped up by power also uses power proportional to the time it takes to execute it, ignoring speed upgrades. Really interesting. we need 1 carrot to plant a sunflower. Let's try this. I will call this part of the code like power management, and I'm just gonna. We're always, when running this code, we're always at the first thing. So I'm just gonna. Is that a stupid idea? Like, just plant entities dot sunflower. Wait. If Northern has. Oh no, it's gonna just replant and then move north. Is that stupid? Like, it's not the best way, of course, but like, now I need to look at this like closely. We're going through or watering. Huh? Oh, we have to till it. I think. Not sure, but I think that's how that works. Okay, now that's not what we want to do. We're for sure getting some sunflowers. And we're insanely fast. This isn't what we want though. So maybe we should write like if get plus x equals 0 and get plus y equals 0, then we want to do this. And then do we need, and then it's like elif here, elif. Because move north is already inside our code. What's the problem? Trying to use on the function gives this is the function object. I always forget those. It's crazy, but it's not auto-completing them, so that's the problem. Yeah, it's using the power. Now we're moving really strange in the... Why are we moving diagonally? And like we're not getting as much energy. We're moving in a really strange pattern. And is it just skipping this one? Now we're out of energy. Okay, so let's just for now delete that again. And yeah, now it's moving right again, okay? Is it skipping some... Is it too fast? Is it skipping some places? Why though? Can we get the power num items dot power. Yeah, okay, that's possible. So we have kind of have to do it like with the pumpkins. So let's see. But we want to do that before we farm hay. So elif or if. How did we do it here? I'm just gonna copy this because it's actually the same logic. If number of items power is below, like say, let's just, we could call it power cap, and then add it here. Power cap equals 1000. And let's just take a 0 away here everywhere, so we're not farming excess. If the position is 0, farm power. So this is our function, and then we define a new function, def farm power, and it's gonna look like this. Whoops. And we will probably do for part of it, we'll do the same as with the pumpkins. See my other video. If it's grassland, we're gonna till and we're gonna plant. Do we wanna? Yeah, we wanna harvest and plant sunflower, and we're gonna do that one time. And then let's just see, and then we want to let's just what happens now? So we're just planting all of them, and then we're probably just okay, so it's kind of working. It's just not efficient at all. And again, it's not getting the first one, so it's not directly planting again. Which is really not ideal. But it's working in some way. We're just not efficient at all with like how we're getting the sunflower. But I think for now this is good enough. This works, and if we're setting the power cap to like 100, this is actually a way to get really fast crops here. And as you can see, we're getting now giant pumpkins, and it's getting us 1k of pumpkin. So that's nice. If you enjoyed the video, let me know with a like and subscribe. And if you want to see how we optimize those sunflowers, check out the next video. And I think that's for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.